Good morning, friends. Just a little video on an update for the day. As you people saw, yesterday the market bounced back from about 11,150. Similarly, on the bank nifty, we bounced back from 21,400 thereabouts. So basically, all that call writing and option chain, etc., does not tell you anything. Yesterday there were call writers everywhere. Day before yesterday there were put writers everywhere. So to think that X, Y, or Z tool will tell you before the market what is going to happen is basically betting that if you have the X meter on your table, you would know where it's going. The only way to know is the direction of the trend, which you can know on any time frame by having a 20-day moving average. It does not get more complicated than that. Now, what do we watch out for today? I would like to watch out for financials again today, because if financials have saved 21,400, the bank nifty, then you are in the clear. And once we can maintain this 11,300 type of zone, you will see fairly strong short covering. So as you can see, when everybody gets on the same side, the market often has something else in mind. So, when everybody is bearish, I like to become bullish, because the market shows you one direction but often resolves in the direction of the trend. I know lots of people on YouTube like to make your life complicated. This is the candle, this is the option chain analysis, this is FII figure, this figure, that figure. But tell me, you are again back at 11,300. Friday, the world was ending because you were at 11,100. I mean, did it make any difference? In 2 days, you are almost back to recent highs. So, if you can look beyond the volatility, your life will become much easier. If you ask me, yesterday's price action and the number of stocks which participated was very healthy, which means autos participated, metals participated, your PSUs came back strongly. Some of the banks, they participated from the lows. Bank nifty had a 300 point rally. So having this one sided view, I think only traps people on that side, particularly against the trend. So I would think that post a bit of choppiness, we will come out of the 11,350 370 zone, and that is something you should look for, watch out for. Now you have enough evidence that your stop is 11,100 to about 11,150. Within this range, 11,150 to about 11,350, the market on particular days can do different things. So again, the view remains that don't try to have massive targets on either side. The idea is to remain long and stay long. Okay, so each time you get a dip towards 11,100, 150, your effort should be to buy. Yes, I am bullish. Some people have trouble with it, no problem. But that is the way to go. Otherwise, the shorts will pay up like they have done since 7,500. That should be all for this little update. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.